Hey guys, so I'm in a good mood today. I dyed my hair. Yeah, I went to put blue in it. Like, I bleached it last night, and I went to put blue in it, and it didn't take today. So you can't really see it on the camera, but it's like a bluish, greenish, blonde color. But I like it a lot. And just pulling up my pants. Later on tonight, I'm gonna put some more blue in it, and then if that blue doesn't take, then I'm gonna put some purple in it, and I'm gonna keep putting purple in it until the purple takes. Yeah. And then today, my friend Becca did waterfall braid on my hair, and it looks really cool. I like it. I might stop wearing my hair like this more.
Fairly decent shape. He's got external parasites, he's fleas, and he probably has GI parasites.
I'm sorry, I can't sit still today. I gotta move. Be free. I wore
go ahead and go for adoption.
Giant sweater.
Sadly, Rusky's mother, Bella, has a few more problems to deal with.
Let me.
She's quite a bit underweight, actually. Probably at least 6 or 7 pounds. More than that.
I wore a giant sweater today
was made up of grass and sticks and
that
other
I cut.
natural objects.
It was me! Sorry, dogs. Yeah, giant sweater that I cut, and I wore my black skinny jeans.
I didn't hear whether or not she did have food and water available.
And I had boots on earlier, but I took them off because they were hurting my feet.
So she's underweight, certainly. She's got some fleas, a little bit.
My makeup was pretty today.
Hair loss from the fleas. Just needs a dose of flea medication, and then she'll get a bath.
Pretty makeup.
Everything looks good to go.
Yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about, because...
And that's just going to take food.
Oh my god, I'm going to have a ranting video soon, because there have been multiple things the past 2 days that have been bothering me, like, really bad, like, for one of them. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pause this and then go turn the TV down so you might be able to actually hear what I'm saying. Okay. For those of you who don't know, I'm a cosmetology student, and it's my life. I love it. I love it so much. I don't know what I would do if it wasn't cosmetology. There's this fuckface. I don't know if it's our mayor or what. Fucking Mitch Daniels, the little bitch. Whoever is doing it, I need to hit them. They're trying to pass a law that you don't have to be a licensed cosmetologist to work on someone. You need to be fucking licensed to do someone's hair. Okay. For those of you who think that you can just walk into school, cosmetology school, and just absolutely know how to do everything, you're wrong. You have to learn. You have to know the developers that you need to use for your hair color. You have to know the colors of the hair color, the level of the color from 1 to 10. You have to know how to do perm wraps, to do finger waves. You have to know chemistry. You have to know anatomy. You have to know what to do if you hurt someone or if you accidentally cut them while you're cutting their hair. You have to know how to fucking cut hair. You have to learn the degrees of hair cutting. You have to learn a shit ton of stuff, and it takes fucking practice. So you can't just have some unlicensed motherfucker come up out of the salon or on the streets and be like, hey, I'm gonna cut your hair. No, you're gonna get a fucking lawsuit because you're gonna fucking mess someone's hair up. Or you're gonna cut them and you're gonna hurt them, and then they're gonna get some kind of infection and fucking have to go to the hospital or some shit. Like, what the fuck? You can't be that fucking dumb, can you? You gotta fucking learn how to do this shit. You have to learn how to be sterile. You have to learn how to sanitize things. You have to learn the chemistry for the hair. You have to learn the anatomy so you know the bones and the muscles and the face. You have to know it. You can't just fucking walk off the street and go and be like, hey, I'm gonna cut your hair today. No. You can't fucking do it. You gotta fucking learn everything, bro. Ah. It's fucking idiotic. It really is. It pisses me off. That was rant number 1. There's gonna be more to come. Because there's a couple more things that are irking me at this moment in time. Yeah. So... yeah, I don't know what to talk about now, so I'm just gonna go. Okay. I will talk to you guys later. I love you all. Bye bye.